Are you and your partner struggling to have the money conversation right now? Hi, Linda the Money Mentalist. Now, money is a very easy thing for couples to argue about. Why is that? Because it's visible, it's very tangible, and it's easy to use that as a mask for other things that might be going on about stress in your relationship. And let's face it, for a lot of couples right now, it is a very stressful time. If you are arguing about money, it can be about money. If that is what the issue is between you right now, we can help you with that. That's what we do. We help couples talk about money. Now, it may be that you're actually not arguing at all about money. What you might be doing is not discussing it at all. And that can be just as difficult because you're both making a lot of assumptions about what may or may not be going on with the money in your household. So if you are under stress right now and one of those stressors is money, then what I'd love you to do is click the link. Let's talk and we can make a time that works for you. Let's take the money stress out of your relationship. Bye for now.